Getting started on Binance, a basic trade setup tutorial. Click the link below and register on Binance.com. Put in your username, email, create a password. Verify your email account with the email verification by clicking on the link. It will redirect you to your Binance account. They will ask you to authenticate your account either by text message or Google Authenticator. It is recommended, but you do not have to do it, only for safety reasons. But a basic account will limit you to 2 Bitcoins a day withdrawal limit. For any more than that, you must be verified with ID or a citizen's card. Select the currency and select the address that you would like to deposit. This will give you an address to send your money to, which will help you receive payments from other wallets, or you can use the QR code to trade. Go on the exchange for basic trade. First of all, search for the currency you want to trade and then click on the link. You can toggle between limit, market, which enables the ability to set up a custom price, and the market uses the best market prices. To buy coins, enter the amount for max amount, click on 100%, then click on buy, hit 50%, so on. The trade will be listed in the trade history and the balance of bought currency will increase. To sell coins, enter the amount for max amount, click on 100% and click on sell. The trade will be listed in trade history and your BT balance will increase. All trades will be listed in trade history, as you'll be able to see, and your open orders will be penned in your open orders, which means trades that you have ordered that are waiting to be completed. And you can cancel them if required by clicking on cancel. If not already done, follow the instructions to enable 2FA. Follow instructions in the given order to ensure that everything is done properly and to make sure your account is secure. All deposits will be listed on the history page along with withdrawals and along with trades. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.